back with one of my first videos of 2019, which is going to be a mask review. So it is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Sleeping Mask, and I got this in Sephora in the like travel size section which they have, which I actually had really good luck finding loads of small bits up, like products I want to try but didn't want to pay the full price for the big ones. So I got this one. I kind of wanted to try the avocado one, but they only had the watermelon, so I'm just about to go to bed. Hopefully. I feel really jet lagged, but last night I slept really well, and then now it's like 10 and I feel wired, so I don't know what the luck is, but I've cleansed my face using my Emma Hardy balm and my little like fake foray thing off Amazon, all the way from the neck up. Did my little massage thing, and they say this is a sleeping mask, so that's the plan. On the back I'll just read you a bit about it. It says radiant petal soft skin is just a dream away. The Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask is formulated with watermelon, hyaluronic acid and AHA to hydrate and smooth the skin overnight for a post-facial baby soft result. Use as a sleeping mask, apply as the final step of your evening routine. For drier skin types, add an additional layer if desired. Pat gently until absorbed, wash thoroughly in the morning. Or to use as a wash-off mask, apply a thick, generous layer to damp skin. Clear, rinse with lukewarm water after 10 minutes. So I'm going to use it as a sleeping mask because I really want to see the results. The packaging is so pretty, and I don't even know what the 30ml is, so I think it was $25. I don't know, but it's I think I read after I went on their website it's a Korean beauty brand, so the consistency, this is a bit weird, but it's quite jelly like but quite thin. It's got a kind of weird consistency, but it goes a long way, and it doesn't feel like it's disappearing underneath when you're rubbing it on like a moisturiser can sometimes. Well, feel like it's sucking in, I mean. It sounds weird, I don't know if you can hear, but it sounds really, well, it feels really wet on your skin, but yeah, so I'm just gonna rub the rest of it on the back of my hands. I can try and get an idea of what my skin looks like. It felt quite nice after it was cleansed, but it has definitely been feeling a bit dry after the flight. Other than that, and I've got a small breakout here, just almost like when you eat too much sugar, those kind of breakouts, but yes, I will let you know how it goes in the morning. Sleep time. Good morning. It is the morning after I've worn my Glow Recipe mask to bed. This one. I'm so impressed with it. I think my skin looks super nourished and moisturised, and definitely glowy, and it feels so soft to touch. I'm so impressed with it. It's like a really good I'm just looking at my skin in the mirror behind me. It's like having a really good, I don't know, it just looks like really good skin. Like it doesn't look super oily or anything like moisturiser wise, which like my moisturiser I love always gives quite an oily look afterwards, but this is just like a super, just looks like natural good plump glowy skin, so I'm really impressed with it. I would 100% recommend the Glow Recipe mask. I love it. I'm so happy. I really want to try their avocado one to see if there's much of a difference, but I'm really impressed. All under my eyes, considering I actually ended up falling asleep at like 3 o'clock and woke up at 9. I feel like, although my bags are quite big, all my skin looks really well rested. All around my nose is just super, it does look a tiny bit red, but it's actually all really soft and just feels really nice and feels like good like a good treatment to do. Not this little like patch of tiny like spots that came up. Nothing's more irritated or anything, so yeah, I think I would 100% recommend that mask. It's so nice, and I feel like my skin looks really good which is actually quite good, because when we were away I definitely noticed being a bit more liney just from being out in the sun all the time, but everything seems to sort of like plumped and evened out. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed my video. Please remember to like and subscribe for more, and I will see you in the next one.